In today's video, I'll show you how to activate the Capitec app without going to the bank. So of course, this is going to require you to have previously activated your Capitec app before, as well as your email needs to have already been verified and linked to your Capitec app. That is very important. So first and foremost, to add your email, you need to be on a device that already has the Capitec app and is able to log in. So maybe you're switching to a new phone, but you still have your old phone. Do this first. So you want to go to the profile icon on the top left. You want to click on My Information. You're going to then click on Update. And then you'll see the email address section. You're going to click on that. And then I've already done my email address, but for you, it's going to ask you to input it, and they are going to send you a verification email to that address, or maybe an SMS as well. It's been some years since I've done that. All right, so once your email is verified, you are good to go. So on your new device, you can download the Capitec app if you haven't already. And when you open it, you will be presented with this screen, and you just want to click on sign in and choose for myself. And then you will be able to see the steps here. So once you click continue, you're going to enter your account number, enter the PIN that you've been using with your banking app prior, and you'll verify your identity by taking a selfie. And I think they also do ID verification. Again, it's been some time since I have done this. But that's all there is to it, guys. Remember, the email verification is very important. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.